Imagine if your city's streets were once home to flowing rivers. Today, we're exploring how cities worldwide are tearing down concrete barriers to let nature reclaim its space. For decades, cities had covered rivers with concrete and asphalt to control floods and modernize urban landscapes. But this approach is now seen as harmful. In the age of climate change, these sponge cities are designed to soak up excess water and release it slowly back into rivers and water systems. Efforts like River Partners in the San Joaquin have removed nearly 10,000 cubic yards of concrete debris, highlighting the scale and impact of these projects. Removing concrete allows engineers to create shallow side channels that reconnect rivers with their natural floodplains, enhancing biodiversity. Such initiatives not only improve water absorption and drainage, but also provide habitats for wildlife and recreational spaces for urban residents. In summary, the global movement to tear down concrete barriers is not only about restoring rivers, but also creating more sustainable and resilient cities. What do you think about these urban river restoration projects? Share your thoughts in the comments below.